Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehak and I'm from BS Biotechnology Department, and my topic is Fenugreek. Here I am going to present you the introduction, chemical properties, Fenugreek, chemical structure, applications, benefits, side effects, diseases, uses, and conclusion. So let's start the topic. Introduction of Fenugreek. Fenugreek and its scientific name is Trichinophenomenon gracium, also called fenugreek, fragrant herb to the pea family, and its dried flavorable seeds used as spices. Native to southern Europe and the Mediterranean region, fenugreek is cultivated in Central and Southern Europe, Western Asia, India, and Northern Africa. Fenugreek is an annual plant in the family Fabaceae, which leaves consisting of three small waved to oblong leaves tall. It is cultivated worldwide as seminoid crop. Its seed and leaves are common ingredients in dishes from the Indian subcontinent and have been found as culinary ingredients since ancient times. Fenugreek is a plant that stands around 2 to 3 feet, 60 to 90 centimeters tall. It has been green leaves, small white flowers, and pods that contain small golden brown seeds. Recently, it has become a common house spices and thickening agent. It can be found in products such as soap and shampoos were used in our houses. Fenugreek seeds and powder are also used in many Indian dishes for the nutritional profile and slightly sweet and nutty taste. Let's move chemical properties of the fenugreek. Chemical properties such as moisture, fat, proteins, and ash content were found to be 11.21%, 7%, 23%, and 3% respectively in raw fenugreek seeds, whereas 13.50% and so on respectively in germinated fenugreek seeds. Moisture content. The moisture content of raw fenugreek seed sample was 11.21%, and moisture content of germinated fenugreek seed plant was 13.50%, and fat content was a fenugreek seed sample 7%, and fat content of germinated fenugreek seed sample was 6.24. The extracts of seeds of fenugreek have been shown to possess a hypoglycemic activity and non-toxic. Protein content. The protein content of raw fenugreek seed sample was 23, and the protein content of the germinated fenugreek seed sample was 24. The basic element of the biomolecules is protein in addition to their roles in connecting process and the all of biochemical reactions. Ash content. The ash content of raw fenugreek seeds sample was 3%, and ash content of germinated fenugreek seed powder was 3.14%. The presence of ash content in such quantities are satisfied because of the high importance of minerals for health maintenance and development. Carbohydrate content. The carbohydrate content of raw fenugreek seed sample was 55%, and carbohydrate content of germinated fenugreek seed powder was 53%. The seeds have length ranging from 3.0 mm to 4.0 mm. The average length of fenugreek seeds was 3.461 mm. The seeds are ranging from 2.0 to 2.09 mm. The average width of fenugreek was 2.01. Fenugreek seeds was consumed as a spices. All the plant parts are used as animals feed. Its seeds were rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins, and all other plant parts are also rich in antitoxin, alkaloids, phenolic acids, flavonoids, phytochemicals, and other medical metabolites which employ the whole plant in nutritional medicine. Were used in the ancient times as a medicine as a flavorable things. These seeds are golden yellow color, small in size, structure 22 in fenugreek, sweetness and alkaloids and non-precursors are present. Here, the fenugreek seed is used in methi powder, checked pure powder. This is the fenugreek seed as methi powder used for the anemia patients. The persons who have anemia, they can use fenugreek to protect. Here you can see the fenugreek chemical structure. They have water and OH. Applications of fenugreek trigonally phenomenon is one of the oldest medicine plant originating in India and Northern Africa. An annual plant, fenugreek grows to an average height of 2 feet. The leaves and the seeds, which mature in long pods, are used to prepare extract or powders for medical use. Applications of fenugreek were documented in ancient Egypt, where it was used in incense and reproduced mummies. In modern Egypt, fenugreek is still used as a supplement in wheat and maize flour for bread making. In ancient Rome, fenugreek was appropriately used to aid labor and delivery. In traditional Chinese medicines, fenugreek seeds are used as tonic as well as treatment for weakness and of the legs. In India, fenugreek is commonly consumed as a condiment and used medically as a lactation stimulant. These are numerous other flavonoid uses of fenugreek, including the treatment of indigestion and bladness. The possible hypoglycemic and antihypertensive properties of the oral fenugreek seed powder have been suggested by the research of primarily animal and human traits. And fenugreek, native to southern European Asia, is an annual herb with white flowers and hard yellowish-brown and angular seeds, known from ancient times for nutritional value besides of its medical effect. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of gum, fiber, alkaloids, flavonoids, potassium, and volatile content. Due to its high content of fiber, fenugreek could be used as food stabilizer, adhesive, and amplifying agent to change food texture for some special purpose. Special evidence suggested fenugreek may also be as regarded an antitoxin, antibacterial agent, antitoxin agents, and gastric stimulant, as well as remedy for the hypocholesterolemia and hypoglycemia. The present article is aimed to review the potential applications of fenugreek as a functional food and nutritional agent. And moving towards the fenugreek benefits, fenugreek may also reduce cholesterol levels, lower inflammation, help with appetite control, but more research is needed in these areas. And fenugreek has benefits for lowering blood pressure levels and increasing milk production in breastfeeding mothers. It helps with appetite control, but more research is needed in these areas. Fenugreek has astringent effects and could be possible alternative to hormone replacement therapy. Other studies have shown that spinach and fenugreek bind to toxins in the food and flush them out, protecting the mucous membrane of the colon from cancers. Fenugreek complements diet and exercise for weight loss. The thermogenic herb aids weight loss by suppressing appetite, increasing energy in the short term, and potentially modulating carbohydrate metabolism. And as well as its benefits and side effects of the fenugreek. Fenugreek generally regarded as safe by the Food and Drug Administration. Even so, fenugreek can cause side effects such as diarrhea, seasoning, and gas, particularly at higher doses. Some people may be allergic to certain compounds found in fenugreek. This can trigger allergic reactions on consumption such as skin irritation and redness. Fenugreek is commonly consumed in foods. It is possibly safe when the powdered seed is taken up for 3 years. Side effects may include diarrhea, stomach upset, bloating, and gas. It may also allergic reaction. Some people get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergy reaction, helps difficulty breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, of throat. Cross-reactional allergy may also occur with fenugreek. If you have an allergy to poison, chickpeas, or coordinate, steal clear of fenugreek just to be safe. And the diseases of fenugreek are Carcinoid leaf spot, discoloration of vine at soil line, canker on stem may spread upwards, leaves may wilt and drop from the plant. Numerous small black scholars develop in affected tissues and can be used at diagnosis the diseases. Epiphyte, epiphyte, cophyte, epiphyte, small cophyte, small soft-bodied insects on underside of leaves and or stem of plant, usually green or yellow in color, but may be pink, brown, red, red or black depending on species and host plant. A crustaceous rod can run on stem, may spread upwards, leaves may wilt and drop from plant. Numerous small black scolatory funnel fruiting bodies develop in affected tissues and can be used to diagnose the disease. Powdery mildews, a second disease is powdery mildews, was observed on fenugreek leaves but was present only at the in concept level. Damping off the embraced the seeding except water soaked and destroyed say soft basal rot of stem due to the health death of the protected diseases. And uses of the fenugreek. Fenugreek seed can be found in supplement form or used to make extract. The dried seed can also be brewed to make medicine tea. Fenugreek is used in herbal medicine to prevent or treat with range of unrelated health conditions from diabetes and menstrual cramps to enlarged prostate and obesity. Fenugreek also being used for countries as a galactose meaning as a substance that can simulate the production of breast milk. It was used to treat digestive and respiratory ailments, and it has long history of use in women's health to induce labor and help with childbirth and treatment of for gynecological issues like painful cramps and internal problems. Here we calculate the whole the discussion behind the presentation. Fenugreek is used as spices for the preparation of various dishes as well as the here the conclusion I will discuss the whole presentation. Fenugreek is used as spices for preparation of various dishes as well as to cure many diseases. Treatment of phenomenon gracium established itself and as a medical plant due to the different activities such as anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, anti-gonitis, and bitter, deployed, employed appearance, wound healing, and gastroprotective. Not only that is one of the primary supplements used for type 2 diabetes or non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Fenugreek is not only a very rich flavor source of polysaccharides, gastromannan, but also it is source of sponges such as testosterone, yamoginia, glycosides, tigonine, and neotignates. It also contains fluoride, amino acids, alkaloids, and other bioactive content like mucilage, white light oils, etc. Not only valuable active, it has some side effect too. It has may increase the risk of bleeding, may reduce the potassium level in the blood, and numerous fissure, swelling, breathing problems, and fighting like a cause of allergy reactions and also dizzying, diarrhea, gastric problem. The consumption of fenugreek has been proved safe for human and may easily implanted for health benefit through its rich benefit content and other bioactive components. Fenugreek seed help not only reduce the low density cholesterol and triglyceride but also used to reduce blood pressure level and with its high concentration of poor phytochemicals. So thank you very much.